Finbox Fundamental Stock Analysis at Pricing explained what you get for your money. Finbox is a powerful platform designed for investors who want to dig deep into fundamental stock analysis. Most people assume that detailed stock research tools come with expensive subscriptions, but Finbox offers flexible pricing to fit different levels of investors. The platform offers a free tier which provides access to basic financial models, limited stock data and watchlist features. For more advanced functionality, the Pro plan costs per month and includes access to hundreds of pre-built valuation models, advanced screening tools, historical financial data, and portfolio analytics. There is also a team plan for per month that's ideal for professional investors or small investment teams. With Finbox, you can analyze stocks using discounted cash flow models, relative valuation, and other fundamental metrics. You can backtest investment strategies, evaluate intrinsic value versus market price, and receive alerts when key metrics change. For example, an investor can identify undervalued stocks using the platform automated scoring system, saving hours of manual research. The surprising truth is that for less than the cost of a single lunch per day, individual investors gain access to tools that professional analysts and hedge funds use. Most people underestimate how much insight these tools can provide in making smarter, data-driven investment decisions. In conclusion, Finbox pricing is clear, tiered, and offers real value for investors of all levels. By understanding the different plans and what each includes, you can choose the right subscription to enhance your stock analysis and improve portfolio performance.